How to change language in Terraria. So first is basically open up your settings. So click on escape, then click on the settings option here on the bottom right, then go to your main menu. Now once you're here, go to settings, then you will see the option of language right there. So if you click on that, you will see the available language where you can change it. So first one is English, of course. Then we have German, Italian, French, Spanish, Russian, simplified Chinese, Brazilian Portuguese, and Polish. So let's say you want to change it to Italian. You can just simply click on that particular language just like that. And as you can see, it has been changed automatically. And if I go back, as you can see, everything has been changed. Even if I go play to my game right here, I'm gonna wait for it to load. As you can see, even the end game names and language has been changed just like that. And if you want to revert it, you just simply need to go back to your main menu and go back to language right here and click on English again, and everything will be automatically changed to English just like that. Now you can just simply continue with your game and you're good to go. And that is how you basically change the language in Terraria.